Your toxic parents did not care about your feelings. When you were crying, they told you that you were just dramatic. When you felt hurt, they told you that you're just too sensitive. When you were afraid, they told you that there is nothing to be afraid of. When you told them that you did not like how they were treating you or talking to you, then they just laughed at you. They said that you cannot handle real life if you cannot even handle this. They tried to gaslight you into thinking that your emotions are not real. And because of this, you have chronic self doubt as an adult. You are constantly thinking, what if I'm wrong? Should I really say this? And all these doubtful statements. But if you learn how to use the power of your subconscious mind, then you can destroy this self doubt. Because your behavior, your actions, your personality traits are directly controlled by your subconscious mind. Your parents installed a terrible program in your subconscious mind, and this is why you experience the personality traits of someone who is a chronic self-doubter. But now that you have grown up, it is time to take life into your own hands. There is zero advantage in blaming your parents as an adult. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to install a new wonderful program in your subconscious mind. If you're not driving your car or doing any sort of dangerous activity, just do this. Close your eyes and start relaxing your body. Start guiding your attention throughout your body parts until you notice that your breathing rate has slowed down. This process is called yoga nidra. What this does is, it is going to create alpha waves and theta waves in your brain. These brain waves are produced by a child's brain, which means you are making your brain as impressionable as the brain of a child. So now you are ready to install a new program into your subconscious mind. Now what you're going to do is you construct an imaginal act where you are already the person that you want to become. Visualize that you are always doing the things that you want to do with full confidence. Visualize that whatever you touch turns to gold. Whatever project that you start to work on becomes extremely profitable. If you are a doctor right now and you really want to become a YouTuber, start to visualize that you are already posting content on YouTube. Your content is already adding value to your audience's lives and you're getting appreciated for your YouTube content as well. Your brain cannot differentiate between a vividly imagined act and an experience that you have in this three-dimensional physical world. So provide all the sensory vividness, the things that you can see, listen to, and feel in your imaginal act. When you do this, you are going to feel the emotions of joy, satisfaction, relief. You are going to have a genuine smile on your face because you're finally becoming the person that you want to become. You're finally acting like the guy that you have wanted to act like inside of your own imagination. Now understand this. These elevated emotions, these feelings are going to program your subconscious mind to turn you into a completely different person. Now you won't be able to sit on the fence. You will be compelled to take action. You will be compelled to do the things that you have imagined that you were doing. And this is going to be effortless because something deep inside of you, your subconscious mind, is going to compel you to perform these actions. And these actions are going to be profitable and extremely fulfilling to you because you have already imagined that whatever you do turns to gold. Do not underestimate the power of your imagination. Conor McGregor persistently visualized that he was already knocking out UFC legends after legends. He used to feel victorious before he even set foot in the octagon. This is why he was able to become a UFC double champion. The people you admire, like Kobe Bryant, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and Jim Carrey, all use their imagination to change their behavior and to shape their personal life according to their visualization. So now it is your time to use your imagination and combine it with elevated emotions so that you can program your subconscious mind and destroy this annoying habit of constantly doubting yourself. To work with me one-on-one, you can click on the link that is present in the pinned comment section down below. I will provide you a ritual that you can do for 30 days, but then you have to be accountable to this practice. I will track your progress daily and provide you direct support.